So guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. So we are here with a great topic. The topic is so-called confused topic and so-called surprising also. Why? The big question come up in our mind while we design something or while we are creating a paper pencil layout or whatever it can be. The big question is what kind of font I want to choose, bro? What kind of font I can use in my artwork? It's a very pokey question because font speaks a lot. That's true. You guys even know that. So the topic is how to choose the font, right? So before starting this session, I have a kind of a small meme for you guys. It's related to this font topic because just I believe let's enjoy this session. Let's enjoy each and every session so you can learn, earn, and yes, of course, the main be happy what you are learning. So yes, I am very fond of you because you are just my type. What you get from this quote, I am very fond of you. Fine, because you are just my type. So please, if you want to be someone's type, be the right font. So the font is so important, man. Can you understand? Like, yes, there's few things to yes to make a smile on your face. That's it. Clear? So before starting up this session, I want to show you a small video. Maybe I like explain about this in my previous session. It's a gestural theory. Why I'm talking about this? I'm talking about this just because of that you understand in what way or in what method we can use the fonts. All right. So not like think too much. Just wait for the main video. All right. So here is my stuff.
When looking at this, what's the first thing you see?
I don't want to let's see this part. We called it similarity. So we don't need to see the entire video. Just this single topic will give you a lot of idea. If look, similarity and continuity is a very essential in any design. Fine. If you're using a sharp shape, then go for some sharp kind of fonts. If you're using like curvy fonts or curvy shape, use the calligraphy fonts. If your artwork represents something beauty, खूब सुंदर, बहुत अच्छा, then go for some beautification fonts. Like if your artwork represent a logo and that logo brand represent a flower shop. Fine. Now what? Look, flower shop not gives you a negative vibes. Maybe the owner can give you the negative vibes, but the flower shop, the atmosphere, the surroundings will not give you the negative vibes, right? So in the same way, you have to think about the text, the logo in that method. Everything is interconnected. Connect the points, you will automatically come up with idea. So let's see the similarity point. All right, three, two, right, one, go.
Similarity, the notion that we place objects with similar characteristics in a group. These characteristics can include color, size, font, shape, texture, and more.
Look,
Proximity,
okay.
size,
these were my shapes, right? With these shapes, how he choose the font? He choose the font in a this way. Look, look this part only. How he convert this entire shape into a text. So the text and the shape create a rhythm within itself. All fine. So look, can you see? Now it's created rhythm. They are creating a bonding. Fine. Wait, it's not end up here. Again, look, the shape is so geometrical. This shape and this shape is so geometrical, so proper. So in that case, if you study this PANDA is also similar to the symbol. They are also like geometrical. They are following up the uh, rhythms. So see, so this similarity part is so important while choosing the fonts. We need to see just how we can execute the entire sequence, like the entire design concept with keeping this similarity aspect in our mind and working on the some other designs. Look, once we can do like practical things, we only know, all right, this functions like this and that functions like that. So let's see some practical examples in our next session. So yes, we not put so much of things in this session, just just let's not make clumsy. Fine. So yes, in our next session, what we gonna learn? We're gonna learn the text we have to select for the execution of the design. Fine. Thank you so much guys for attending this session. I hope you guys enjoy this session a lot. Fine. Thank you.